Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. For the preparation of SAT, GRE, GMAT type examinations, our lump sum question number 27 reads as, goes as, Alison is now 3 times as old as Jeremy, but 5 years ago she was 5 times as old as he was. As he was. How old is Alison now? How old is Alison now? Our first statement, let us translate. Alison is now 3 times as old as Jeremy. No doubt, Alison is older than Jeremy. According to the first condition, we have Alison, the age of Alison is thrice the age of Jeremy. Or we can write simply A is equal to 3 times J. From Alison we have taken A, thrice 3, Jeremy's J we have taken. Our condition number 1, we have translated the first sentence, Alison is now 3 times as old as Jeremy, mathematical equation. A is equal to 3G. But 5 years ago, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, we have to subtract 5 from both the ages of Alison as well as Jeremy, because 5 years ago they both are a bit older compared to their present age. Their age is lesser than 5 years ago. Simply we write A minus 5. Alison was 5 years younger 5 years ago. Similarly, Jeremy is 5 years younger 5 years ago. Alison was 5 times as old. 5 times. Alison is 5 times as old as Jeremy. First statement, Alison is 3 times Jeremy. A is equal to 3G. 5 years ago, we have to decrease 5 years from the ages of both Alison as well as Jeremy. Because 5 years ago they are both 5 years younger in comparison to their present age. It is simple. Now that's our equation number 2. Applying a little bit mathematical, connecting the dots. If we replace A is equal to 3 by 3J, A is equal to 3J. If we replace this A by 3J, we have something like this. 3 times J minus 5 is equal to 5 times J minus 5. Simplifying, 5 times J, 5 the 25. 3 times J minus 5 years, it's 5 times J minus 5 the 25. Solving for G, collect the like terms, J one side and pure number on the right hand side. We have 3J minus 5J is equal to minus 25 plus 5. Positive 3J minus 5J, we have negative 2J. Negative 25 plus 5, it is negative 20. Solving for J, dividing by minus 2 both sides, we have cancel out, minus cancel, 2 10 are 20. The age of Jeremy is 10 years. But we are asked to find how old is Alison now. We have gathered the age of Alison. We have gathered the age of Alison, that is Jeremy, that is 10 years. Just plug in here. We are going to get the age of Alison. Alison is 3 times the Jeremy. Age of Jeremy is 10 years. 3 times the 30. So Alison is 30 years old now. Alison is 30 years old now. Moving towards next question, that is, what is a letter A divided by A% of A? A simple but intriguing question. What is A divided by A% of A? A divided by A% of A. What is A divided by A% of A. A divided by A% of A. A% of A. Simply, of means multiplication, we can write A divided by A, to remove percent, divide by 100 of means of A. It will become A square, A divided by A square over 100. A divided by A square over 100. Turning division into multiplication for calculation purpose, we have A times 100 over A square. Applying table of A on A square, we have 100 divided by A. 100 divided by A. That is the net result of A divided by A% of A. A divided by A% of A. A divided by A% of A. A division to remove percent, divide by 100 of A times A, of A times A. We have A divided by A square over 100. For calculation purpose, convert division to multiplication. Reciprocal, the term after division symbol, that is 100 over A square. A times A. Applying table of A on A square, here remains A in the denominator. 100 over A is our answer. Option number B. Option number B. Moving towards next question, we have, if C is the product of A and B, C is the product of A and B, which of the following is the quotient of A and B? Which is the quotient of A and B? The first condition is, if C is the product of A and B, C is the product of A and B. It's our condition number 1, our equation number 1. C is the product of A and B. If you multiply A and B, we get C. We get C according to the given condition. Our second condition is quotient of A and B. Quotient of A and B. Quotient of A and B means A over B. A divided by B. A divided by B. A divided by B. Now, have a glimpse at the options. First option is B square over C. C square over B. B square over C square. C square over B. B square C. Simply, we arrive at the result. There is no A in the option. There is no A in the options. There is no A in the option. There is no A in the options. From this, we conclude that we have to eliminate A between these two given conditions. We have to eliminate A between two conditions. Gather the value of A, manage the value of A from here. Our A is C over B. The value of A from first condition is C over B. C over B. Replace here, replace here. Instead of A, we can write C over B divided by B. We have C over B times 1 over B, or C over B square. B square. It's our answer. If you have problem with double division to solve, then there is a simple hack for you. Just write down this one. This is our original condition. Write this as A divided by B. Simply, this one can be written as A divided by B. A divided by B. Plug in the value of A, that is C over B. That is C over B divided by B. For calculation purpose, convert division into multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the term after the division symbol. C over B is 1 over B, or 1 times C is C, B times B is B square. C, B times B is B square. So our option number B is the right option in that case. Moving towards next question, we have, the final one. If W widget costs C cents, how many widgets can you get for D dollars? How many widgets can you get for D dollars? D dollars. Look, it is in cent, it is in dollars. Make the unit parallel. Convert both of them in cent or in dollars. There is cent, there is dollars. Take care of this thing. Otherwise, it's a wonderful thing. Widgets and their cost in dollars. W widget costs C cents. How many widgets? How many widgets? How many widgets? Question mark. Can we have for D dollars? D dollars. D dollars. If W widgets can be obtained from C cents. From C cents. How many widgets can be obtained? Can we get for D dollars? We can get for D dollars. There is cent dollars. Make the unit parallel by multiplying this dollar with 100. Now they will become 100 times D cents. 100 times D cents. 100 times D cents. Now our calculation is smooth. Instead of this question mark, let me write X. This is the direct ratio solved for X. WOX is equal to C divided by 100 times D. 100 times D. Cross multiply. We have W times 100D is equal to C times X. We are interested in the value of X. Dividing by C. Let me write letter first. 100 times WD is equal to CX dividing by C. We have X is equal to 100 times WD over C. 100 times WD over C means we can have 100 times W times D over C widgets for D dollars. We can have 100 times WD over C widgets for D dollars. Our option number A is the right option in that case. A is our right option in that case. W widgets cost for C cents. How many widgets can we have for D dollars? We have a look here. There is cents, there is dollars. Units are not parallel. Make the unit parallel. We have converted dollars into cents by multiplying hundreds. 100 times D cents. D dollars can be written as 100 times D cents. There is direct ratio. Question mark we have substituted by X. W over X, C over 100 times D. Then solve for X. Our X is 100 times WD over C. This is the number of widgets that we can have for D dollars. Feel easy while working with the letters. To calculate with numbers, it seems to be easy for a student. Letters, they are also simple, but stuck to definition, stuck to concept, stuck to simplicity. Apply your acumen and you are going to get through. It's my tiny effort to you guys to explain to you what do you mean by how to solve such type of question. It's all by itself. Next.